Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to download public HTML folder from cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How do I mean it? So first of all, open your cPanel and then open File Manager. Select public HTML and now click on Compress and select the compression type, compress file. Close and search for the compressed file. So here you can see public HTML has been compressed. Now select this and click on download, and public HTML is started to download. So this is how we can download public HTML file. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.